Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to present to you how do I combine the aggregates. In this example, I have three sizes of aggregates. One is the natural sand or 0 to 4 mm. Second is the 4/10 or 10 mm. And third one is 10/20 or the 20 mm aggregates. So in this procedure, it will be applicable for any other combined grading requirements, but in this example, let me show you. I have here two tables. So the first table is where we have to feed first the information, like here these are the sieve sizes or the sieve number, and here opposite are the percent passing, the particle or the mass of the particle passing the each sieve number. So you just have to copy it from the third-party test report. Next, in this table, this is the requirements for the combined grading, and this is exactly the result of the combined aggregates. And this is the lower limit and the upper limit and the chart. So here you can see I have here 36% of 20 mm as the proportion, 18% for 10 mm, and 46% for natural sand. So total will be 100%. Of course, you can double check from this formula, summation of all these three cells, which is 100%. So now let me show you how to calculate this in this example. So if you double click this cell, actually you will find the formula here on top. But for the sake of this presentation, let me do it one by one. So let me delete this and start from the beginning. We write the formula equals, so open parenthesis, in the 63 micron, opposite 63 micron for the 20 mm, let's press this 100%, multiply by 36%, close it, plus open parenthesis 100% of 10 mm multiply by its percentage or proportion, which is 18%, close it, plus open parenthesis 100% multiply by 46% as proportion for the fine aggregates, close it, and press enter. So that is the simple way to do the combining the aggregates. So you have here 100% since everything is 100. So let me go for the second example. Let's say I will be doing 20 mm, sieve number 20 mm, I mean. So let us do another example. Let's delete this one and start from the formula. Right, the formula equals open parenthesis, so 89, we multiply by 36%, close it, plus open parenthesis 100% multiply by 18%, close, and then add again, open parenthesis 100% multiply by 46%, close it, press enter. So that is 96%. Do you follow? So that is the simple way of the combining aggregates. And finally, we have here the combined grading chart. So it's up to you to explore how to do it. And just a small tip, if you click on this line, you will find out the sources of the range or the cells where it came from. So here, this is the upper limit. You can reduce it, you can actually put it somewhere else, so it's very easy, but of course we need it here. Next, the combined grading line. This is the combined percentages, and the third one is the lower limit. So that's all for today. I hope you get the idea and you learned something today. Thank you for watching.